to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today, everything's going to be fine. Because it's the 303rd lightning ball draw to be released. By far. First ball out, number 55. 55, please. Second ball out, number 76. Third ball out, number 56. Fourth ball out, number 36. Fifth ball out, number 38. Sixth ball out, number 15. Oh, 16 family number is number 15. And the lightning ball is 65. Those numbers again in ascending order are 15, 36, 38, 55, 56, and 76. And the lightning ball is 65. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for tonight's Game Centre, Day Lesson, Blank Documents, Bingo Draw, and Spin the Wheel draws.